In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscription of Leonardo AI Mobile. If you want to cancel your Leonardo AI subscription using your phone, this process is pretty straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening Leonardo AI in a browser on your phone. Make sure you're using your mobile browser and not looking through unrelated app settings, since the subscription management option is available from the Leonardo AI website interface. Once the site loads, log into your account. Take your time here and make sure you successfully access the correct account, especially if you've used more than one login method before. You'll need to be signed in before any account or billing options become visible. After you're logged in, look for the menu icon with 3 lines. This is usually located near the top of the screen. Tap that to open the main navigation menu. On mobile, a lot of account settings are tucked inside this menu, so this is where you'll find the next option. From there, scroll down until you see Premium Plans, then tap on it. This section is where Leonardo AI keeps subscription-related details, including your current plan and the options connected to billing. Next, tap Manage Subscription. This will take you to the area where you can make changes to your active plan. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds, since billing pages sometimes open a little more slowly on mobile browsers. Finally, tap Cancel Plan and continue through the cancellation process. Follow the remaining prompts on the screen until the cancellation is confirmed. It's a good idea to read each confirmation screen carefully so you know when your access will end and whether any billing changes take effect immediately or at the end of the current period. And that's how to cancel your Leonardo AI subscription on mobile.